Okay, welcome back to the channel, and today we are gonna reacting to a anime opening song. Okay, the opening of the anime, the name of the anime is Chainsaw Man. Okay, I never saw Chainsaw Man. Okay, I'm looking forward to see it. Okay, but this is the opening song. Okay, this is the recommendation from my older reactions. Okay, so we are gonna react to it. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel. And if you like the video, then like the video. Okay, let's just get on the full screen and let's go. Wait, why? It's taking a rock approach. Okay. Bro, it suddenly change, okay? This is suddenly take a rock approach. Okay, from the start, it's not that hard, but when the beat drops, the this hook came. Okay, this song is get on another level. Okay. Oh, that step. Okay, I see this scene. Okay. Um. Yeah, this scene. This one is one that that in a reel or a TikTok. Okay, that's Asalamina loga 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 nagam dala musingani doga doga. Yeah, that one. Okay, I see this step. Okay. The opening song, I love it. Okay, the in instrumental there is so much going on. Okay, it has that rock approach. Okay, I love rock songs. Okay, because they goes way hard. Okay, but in the start, I I pretty assume that it's a rock song. Okay, but when the hook appear, okay, when the hook came, it's get on a different level. Okay, the instrumental is up, the beat is up, everything goes so hard. And from the visuals, I think it's pretty good anime. Okay, because there is a lot of blood and a lot of action. Okay, I love action animes. Okay, but I'm looking forward to watch it. Okay, if I am talking about the opening, I love it. Okay, and this I love this type of openings. Okay, they are so energetic and powerful. Okay. I just want to see the artists. Okay, it's on Mappa's channel. Kinashi Yonezu. I think I heard this name. I don't know if I react to him or not, but I think I heard this name. This is the recommendation. I'm pretty sure I heard his name. Okay. Okay, so what can I say? That's it for the reaction. Okay, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel. And if you like the video, then like the video. Okay, and for that, sayonara. See you in the next one.